Oh, I guess I'm taking a movie. I thought I was going to take a picture. Hi, Bella. How are you?
Good. I'm just being the mother of Mother Man.
And what day is today? Super Bowl
Super Bowl
Sunday.
day. Super Bowl Sunday.
Very good. And what did you get for a present?
For Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
I got a diary, and I got chocolates, scissors in the scissor case.
Hi, Sophie. How are you?
Chocolates, scissors in the scissor case.
Okay. Sophie, what did you get for Valentine's Day? Bella, make room for her. Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Come here. Come here. Hi, Sophie.
I'm gonna take.
What did you get for Valentine's Day? No.
I got Let me see my mouth.
A what? Yes, I can see your mouth.
I want to go close.
No, you're getting the lens all fogged up.
I got scissors and a case and a lipstick and chocolate and. I meant to say lipstick too.
Okay. And you got a new haircut.
Yeah.
And you look very pretty.
And I got. And I had a diary.
Address book.
And I just
And a little purse.
a little piece.
Yeah.
And little purse, I mean.
Okay, let's talk to Tessa. Hi, Tessa.
Hi.
Happy Super Bowl Sunday.
Shiny.
Did you get a Valentine's present? What did you get?
Stop it. Watch her up here.
Tessa,
Look.
what did you get in your present?
Watch her up
Did you get chocolate?
Watch her up here.
Did you get chocolate?
Yeah.
What else? Did you get a hairbrush? Did you draw me a picture?
Yeah.
What did you draw? What?
Let's see.
What have you got there?
Pay attention to him.
Sophie, don't pull her. Sophie, don't pull her.
Get her.
Sophie. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, I meant to say hi.
Okay.
So did I.
Okay, so now we're going to play Mother May I. Everybody stand by the wall.
Can you stand by the wall? You can go stand by the wall. I'll take the